Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to set up a PIN for your Discover card. Whether you're a first-time user or just want a quick refresh, this guide will have you secured and ready to go in no time. A PIN adds an extra layer of protection for your transactions, especially at ATMs or for contactless payments, so let's get started. First off, gather what you need: your Discover card, your online banking login details, and a secure device like your phone or computer. If you don't have an online account yet, hop over to the Discover website and sign up. It's quick and free. Step 1. Log into your Discover account. Open your web browser or the Discover app, head to discover.com, and enter your username and password. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your info. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Settings, or Security, section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for icons like a gear or lock. Step 3. Find the option for PIN management. It might say, Set up PIN, Manage Card PIN, or something similar. Click on that to proceed. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your PIN. Choose a strong, memorable combination. Avoid obvious ones like your birth date. You'll typically need to enter it twice for verification. Step 5. Confirm your PIN through any additional steps, like a text code or email verification, which Discover might send for security. Step 6. Once it's set, log out of your account and test your PIN at an ATM or during a transaction to make sure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you set up your Discover card PIN in just a few simple steps. Remember, keeping your PIN secret is key to preventing fraud, so never share it and change it every now and then. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.